Welcome back to Beaumont's home kitchen. Today we're making a nice awesome roast chicken. So gonna oil up my roasting pan a little here. Perfect. Take our chicken, gonna season them up nice. There's a string on here, so I'm gonna take that off. Yes, and we're gonna preheat the oven at 350. Italian seasoning, some of my go-to spices, a little bit of Montreal steak spice, garlic powder. All right, let's toss some of that on there. We're gonna add some fresh garlic as well, some onion powder, nice thyme. Get that up there. Can't have chicken without a certain amount of thyme on there. Beautiful. Toss a whole bunch of butter all over our chicken. Nice flavor. Oh yeah. Butter them up, kind of over the breast there. Perfect. Some lemon, minus the seeds, and with lemon on there. I'm gonna take Mr. Lemon and we're gonna toss him into the center. Another lemon, minus the seeds. Lemon onto all over Mr. Chicken. Helps with the gravy after. Do it with some nice gravy. Mashed potatoes, very simple. Toss the other lemon in there to help our gravy. And toss a little bit of stock. This is a little bit of beef stock. Toss some garlic in there. A few cloves of garlic. Yeah, put some garlic there and there. Few pieces of garlic on top of the chicken, no problem. And this chicken is a 3-pound chicken, so we're looking at about 30 minutes a pound, so we're looking at an hour and a half, and we'll take a look at it and see how it goes. So we go 350 for an hour and a half, and we'll have some lovely chicken. So we'll toss the chicken into the oven. We'll come back and I'll show you some potatoes and do the gravy, and we are good. It's gonna dice our potatoes. Dice the potatoes up. I dice them so they cook a little faster. Okay. Done. Salt your water for the potatoes into the pot. It's gonna check our chicken. Beautiful chicken. She's looking pretty good. Very nice chicken. Yummy, yummy. Wow. Very nice. Juice for our gravy. Potatoes into the pot. Test out the gravy. Wow. I don't think that one will need much. Couple tablespoons and equal parts water. Okay. Let's thicken the gravy into the Mr. Pot. Mix it up. You get pretty thick pretty fast, so, but you do have, for a few minutes, have to cook the cornstarch out. Beautiful gravy. A few herbs in there. Just a little bit of thyme. Touch of pepper. Seemed like it was a good gravy. It didn't need much. Give it a go there. Touch of salt. Mix. That's a good gravy. Don't need nothing else. Wait for our potatoes. Potatoes are done. Strain them. Nothing fancy with potatoes. Just back into the pot. All we're gonna do, a little bit of butter in with our potatoes. Seasoning, salt, touch of pepper. Boop. Very small amount of water. Toss it back onto the fire. Yeah, just mix some potatoes there a bit. There you go. Potatoes ready to go. Chicken is done. Beautiful chicken. Yummy. Nothing too fancy, just potatoes and chicken with gravy. Roast chicken, of course. In the oven. Chicken. I'm gonna do a leg. Oh, I love legs. Perfect. I'll toss the leg on there. Oh, beautiful. And some breast. Juicy breasts. Looking good. All right. That's the gravy. Gravy on there, everywhere. Parsley. Guess I'll have to give it a try. Lively chicken a try. Dig into some lovely breast there. Looks so tender and juicy and nice. Just a little bit of we go, give it a go. Oh man, pretty awesome gravy. Very good. Roast chicken. Thanks for watching Beaumont's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, love ya, and we'll see you in the next one. Later.